Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have three different job updates. So the first company, it is Flipkart. So the job role for that is software development engineer, and the salary or the CTC, so 10 plus the starting salary, it is 10 LPA, and based on your years of experience and based on your interview performance, so the CTC will be decided. And the work location, it is Bangalore. And the experience, so it is for experienced graduates like more than 3+ years of experience, so they are eligible to apply for this particular job role. So we shall quickly see the qualification and the skills that are needed. Like qualification, like you need to be strong in at least one programming language and the tech stack, and also you need to have knowledge of data structures and algorithms and the design patterns, and you need to have knowledge of SDLC, that is software development lifecycle, and if you have knowledge on Linux commands, how to use it, so it's an added advantage to apply for this particular job role. And you need to have knowledge on some of the DevOps tools like Docker, Kubernetes and CI/CD tools. So these are the main skills which are needed to apply for this particular job role. So to apply, you can just click on apply now, and you can see the first step is you need to upload your updated resume, and the later you need to enter your name, address, and this should be as per your government ID, that is Aadhaar card, and then you can enter your email address and your phone number and the total year of experience, then the current location and the date of birth, and have you previously employed in Flipkart, so you can mention that. And if you have given interview prior 6 months, so you are not eligible to apply for this particular job role. And next step is your college, like your qualification details, your education details and everything, year of pass out, and the current industry, like if you are working in any of the companies, so do mention all the details properly, and the compensation details, and you can just agree the terms, and then you can just submit the application form. So this is the simple application form to apply for the Flipkart. So the second company, that is SAS Hiring, and the role for that is Associate Systems Administration, and the experience, so 0 to 2 years of experience is needed to apply for this particular job role, and the salary or the CTC, so 9 lakhs per annum, and the work location is Pune. So coming to the skills which are needed for this particular job role, so you can see like you need to have knowledge on good understanding of MS Office, Skype and everything. So as they are hiring for systems admin, so you need to have knowledge on troubleshooting of hardware and knowledge of operating systems and systems management software and patch management, productivity applications and virtualized environment. And like you need to work like 24/7, like you are willing to work in night shifts, and also you can just apply for this particular job role. And then to apply, you can just click on apply now. So for this you need to enter your email address, so you can just enter your email address and then you can click on next. So you'll navigate to the application form. So like the first step is you need to enter your email address, and the second one is candidate profile, and later you can just review your application form and you can just submit the form. So here is the first step, like you need to upload your updated resume, and then here you can just enter your personal details, everything, and your phone number, and then your address, everything, and then how did you hear about SAS, so you can just choose like social media and you can provide the details as applicable. And the next step is education details, so do mention your education details like 10th, 12th as well as graduation, and you can add like if you have done any post graduation, so you can add that accordingly, and you can just submit the profile. So after that you can just move to the third step and complete all the required details and agree the terms and submit the application form. So this is about the second company, that is SAS. And the third company, so it is Cornerstone Hiring, and the role for that is junior engineer, that is quality, like they are hiring for testing, and the experience, so it is for freshers, and the salary or the CTC, so 5 lakhs per annum, and the work location is Bangalore. So the main qualification, like they are hiring for BE, BTech or even MCA freshers, and those who want to start your career in testing, so they are eligible to apply. And for that the skills needed is that you need to have knowledge on Java programming, And if you have done any of the certification related to manual testing, API testing, anything, so it's an added advantage for that. You can just attach your certifications in the form. And the main skills, like it is good to have knowledge on HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and knowledge of object oriented programming like Java is preferred, and knowledge in automation framework like Selenium or Silk, so it's preferred, and knowledge in web services or automated API testing, and knowledge in at least one scripting language like Python is preferred. So these are the main skills which are needed to apply for this particular job role. So the location is Pune, and to apply you can just click on apply now, and then you can see this is the simple application form. So you can apply with LinkedIn if you already have the account in LinkedIn, or you can just fill all your details, your first name, last name, your email address, and how did you hear about the position. So do mention you can mention and your current company name, and have you previously applied for Cornerstone, so do add that. And you can just, are you open for relocation? So these are the different ways, like different locations like Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad, and all the locations mentioned above. So they have 3 job locations, Pune, Hyderabad as well as Mumbai, but currently this opening is for Pune. So you can just apply for this job role, and you can just give the interview, and like what is your notice period for your current company, and then you can just answer these questions, and you can upload your updated resume. And next step is your contact details and your company experience, so do add the company experience. And if like you can add your internship experience, then you can add your company experience, and the education details and the certifications and licenses, so do add the programming, like if you have done any of the certifications related to programming and testing, you can just mention those. And the skills, so you can mention the skills from the top, like whichever you're good in, so do mention the skills, whatever you know that you can just add those. And the cover letter, so you can just add the cover letter, and you can attach your email approval screenshot, so you can just add that. And then here you can just go through everything, and you can just agree, and then you can move to the next. And in the next page you have some of the questions, like you can just answer those and submit the application form. So this is all about the third company, that is Cornerstone. So the link for all these 3 job roles, so it will be provided separately in the description. You can quickly go and apply for these job roles accordingly. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.